guys, this is Leigh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful dresser from Walmart plastic 3-drawer card. Let's get started. Firstly, I want to show you how the Walmart plastic card looks. It has decent size and the 3 drawers are pretty roomy. Overall, I'm okay with the front look and decided not to change much for the front. For the side and the back, I don't like the main frame is exposed, so I decided to use the cardboard to cover it. Basically, I measured the area which I wanted to cover and used the foam board and poster board from Dollar Tree to prepare it. I would like to mention, if you worry about the stability of the plastic frame, you can always consider stronger board like particle board, polywood board on the side and the back to make the structure much stronger. To me, I'm totally fine with the plastic frame, so I just use the foam board to cover it. This is how the sideboard looks. I prepared 2 of them and used the strong adhesive to attach them on the side and the back. This is how the side and the back look after I covered the plastic frame. I also decided to use the craft sticks to cover any imperfection of the board, and also it gives additional features. Next, I would like to show you the 3 spray paints I prepared for this DIY project. As you can see in the video, I got 3 colors: dark brown, navy blue, and light gray. They are all beautiful colors for a dresser. I finally decided to use navy blue. I was really looking forward to seeing how this color contrasts with golden details. Then I spray painted the whole thing in the garage with navy blue color, and I also painted the craft sticks with gold color. When it was fully dry, I took inside and glued the craft sticks on the side. I also added some golden stickers on the front. They are very cute to me, and also self-adhesive, so they are very easy to use. You can check more details from the description box below. I also decided to add metal handle and the leg to make the dress look nicer. They are very easy to get and very affordable as well. let's check out the final product. Wow, I have to say this transformation is very impressive. I really like how this dresser turns out. Feel free to let me know how you think about this DIY project. If you are new to my channel, also like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help a lot to grow my channel. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.